Good afternoon, friends. I am at Bannur Road, Mysore. Decathlon, one place for all sports equipments. They have an outdoor open court. They use it for playing football, basketball, and they also conduct various sports activities and events. Evening coaching is available in this court for inline skating. These are the trekking shoes, winter jackets, rain jackets, jogging shoes. This is the cycle section. Here, a cycle brand by the name Between is sold here. They sell only one brand of cycle here, but the price range starts from a few thousand of rupees, and we have a high-end bicycles which cost over a lakh. Different variety of yoga mats are available here. Yoga mats are available for children as well as for adults. These are the exercise equipments. Mechanical and electronic bicycles are available. Bike essentials. Many variety of models are there, starting from 15,000 onwards. There's a small table tennis table, carrom board is there, rackets here, starting from 600 rupees. Highest is around 3,500, 4,500. Okay, very good, not bad. Here you have the tennis rackets. You have the basketballs here. Braces for elbows, knee, arm, legs. In sports activities, equipments and accessories, A to Z, you name it and you got it here. Archery section, bow and arrow, dartboard, kids safety vest, fishing rod, fishing equipments, fishing line, hook, other accessories. Hiking and trekking equipments, backpack, warm jackets, waterproof jackets, baggages, pouch, extra seats, soft cushion seats, bicycling jerseys, bicycling helmets, even kids helmets are available here. Hand pumps, all accessories are there, pedals, hand grips. Even the tension wire is there. Here should be wire grips.